After seeing the prices at the big box store, we decided to make our own baseboards. We started by ripping 1/2 inch MDF in half for easier handling. After that, we cut the first board to 5.5 inches to see if we liked that size. After checking that size in the house, we decided to go with 5-inch baseboards. Let the cutting begin. At this point, I was really wishing I had a good dust collection system. Maybe that's something we'll work on in another video. Once we finally finished all the cutting, we moved over to the router table. I wasn't sure what size roundover to use, so I started with an 1/8 inch roundover bit. We were happy with that, so we stacked the boards on the workbench and made lots of dust. Glad to be done with that step, we moved straight over to the fancy paint booth and started with a coat of primer, finished with 2 coats of paint. Unfortunately, we could only do half the boards at a time, so this step had to be done twice. After the paint was dry, I definitely got my steps in for that day. Back and forth what felt like a million times to measure, cut, and install, over and over and over. After quickly finding the studs, I started to nail all the baseboards on. But before I got too far, I had to go back out yet again to get more baseboards. We decided that before we install baseboards in the laundry room, we would quickly build a washer-dryer pedestal. Cue the montage. After caulking the seams and some touch-up paint, we are very happy with how these came out. So how much did we save? We figured it out to be about $900 savings on baseboards, if you don't include the fact that I have thousands of dollars worth of tools and my time. So in that case, maybe it's a wash. But since I already have those tools and I enjoy doing projects like this, it's priceless. Please let us know what you think in the comments below, and as always, please like and subscribe to see more projects like this.